Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Manur. My department is BSBT. Today our presentation topic is solar energy conversion into organic photovoltaic material. What is solar energy? Solar energy is the radiation from the sun capable of producing heat, causing chemical reactions, or generating electricity. Basically, the total amount of solar energy received on Earth is vastly more than the world's current and antiseptic energy requirement. If suitable harness, solar energy has the potential to satisfy all future energy needs. Basically, solar energy. Who are the solar energy collected? The most common device used to collect solar energy and convert it to thermal energy or flat plate collectors and other methods of thermal energy conversion is found to collect and in solar ponds, which are bodies of salt water designed to collect and store solar energy. Solar radiations may also be converted directly into electricity by solar cell or photovoltaic cells or harnessed to cook food in concentrate sunlight from over a wide area to a central point. Importance of solar energy. As a renewable source of force of power, solar energy has an important role in reducing greenhouse gas emissions and mitigating climate change, which is critical to protecting humans, wildlife, and ecosystems. Solar energy can also improve air quality and reduce water use from energy production. Advantage and disadvantage of solar energy conversion into photovoltaic material. Advantage of solar energy. Advantage of solar energy system. Renewable energy source system cost. Left side, disadvantage of solar. Disadvantage of solar weather dependent solar energy storage. Advantage of solar energy. Reduce electricity bills. Renewable energy resources is cost. Desired application expensive. Reduce electricity bills of lot of space. Weather dependent use. A low maintain cost. Diverse applications use a lot of space. Solar energy storage is expensive, low maintain cost. Uses of solar energy. Basically, solar energy is commonly used for solar water heaters and house heating. The heat from solar pond enable the productions of chemicals, food, textile, worms, greenhousing, swimming pool. Basically, solar energy is used for the livestock buildings, cooking, chemical, textile, food, worms, heating, cooking and providing a power source for electronic devices can also be achieved by using solar energy. Invented solar energy. It all began with Edmond Becquerel, a young physicist working in France, who is 1839, a young physicist physicians working in France, who is 1839 observed and discovered the photovoltaic effect, a process that produces a voltage or electric current when exposed to light or radiant electricity. Basic of organic photovoltaics. Organic solar cell is a type of device made up of thin films of carbon based polymers or molecules as a donor blended with an acceptor materials. The donor absorbs sunlight, transfers electron to acceptors and transport holes to anode. With a acceptor material, the donor absorbs sunlight, transformers, electrons, acceptors, and transport holes to anode, while the acceptors take electron from donor and transport electron to cathode. When you know that basically anode is a negative charge and electron to cathode is a positive charge. There are types of solar energy converted. There are two types of solar energy converted into photovoltaic material. Solar power work by converting energy from the sun from the sun into power. There are two forms of energy generating from the sun for our use: electricity and heat. Solar energy work by converting energy. Two form of solar energy convert. First of all, energy generating from the sun, and second uses electricity and heat. Invented solar energy. It all began with Edmond Becquerel or young physicians working in France. Young physician worked in France when who is 1839 observed and discovered the photovoltaic effect, a process that produce a voltage or electric current when exposed to light or radiant energy. 1839 observed and discovered the solar energy invented in France. Effect, a process that produces voltage or electric current when exposed to light or radiant energy. What are organic photovoltaic material? Photovoltaic material converted into solar energy. Single layer organic photovoltaic cells are the simplest form. These cells are made up of sandwiching a layer of organic electronic material between two metallic conductors, typically a layer of indium tiny oxide (ITO), abbreviated is ITO, with high work function, and a layer of low work function metals such as aluminium, magnesium, or calcium. Basically, single one layer organic photovoltaic is that simplest layer. This is the shape of sandwiching a layer electronic material. Basically, two between metallic conductor. First layer of ITO and second high work function layer, such as, for example, function low work such as aluminium, magnesium, or calcium. Which material is used in a photovoltaic cells? Silicon is the most important semiconductor material used in solar cell. SiO3 silicon SiO3 silicon representing approximately 95% of the modules sold today. It is also the second most abundant material on earth after oxygen and the most common semiconductor used in computer chips. Basically, silicon is used in computer chip, mobile chip, and etc. Silicon is the most important conductor which is used in basically computer chips, mobile chips. SiO3, this is the formula of silicon. How do photovoltaic material work? Photovoltaic is a direct conversion of light into electricity at the atomic level. First of all, a photovoltaic is a direct conversion into light electricity at the rate of atomic level. Some material exhibit a property known as photoelectric effect that cause them to absorb photon or light and release electron. Photovoltaic direct conversion into light and electricity atomic level. What are the methods of conversion of solar energy? Solar technologies convert sunlight into electrical energy, ether, either through photovoltaic PV panels or through mirror that concentrate solar radiations. The energy can be used to generate electricity or be stored in batteries or thermal storage. Solar energy convert into sunlight, electricity, photovoltaic PV panels. Radiations, this is used to generate batteries or thermal storage. Thank you very much.